foam can be perfect for a greater detailing of the piece. This is it. Now some beans. Let's create some planks. First of all, we need to create the separation between the planks like that. Just very, very simple. Trying to be straight as much as possible. I like it. More. We can create some planks that are bigger. I like it. Then we exaggerate a little bit the separation between the planks like that. Okay. This kind of work depends very much by the, the type of foam you are using. I don't have a brand for this foam, but it's just very, very dense. You can engrave very easily anything on it. So I suggest you to search for the high density foam. Now with a metal brush, a soft metal brush, we are engraving the wooden grain. Okay, just like that. You see, in one passage, look at that. I want to show you beautifully this kind of stuff. Look. It's basically perfect. You see?